Hello gardeners. Today I will tell you how I get a double harvest of blackberries every year. Just after fruiting, I do one simple agrotechnical technique. As you can see, my blackberry plants have already had their first abundant harvest. Here are the tails left from the berries. And there are still a lot of berries left. Fruiting will continue until the onset of frost. And the blackberry variety is called thorn-free. It yields abundantly every year, and it is frost resistant. But if your air temperature drops below 5 degrees Fahrenheit in winter, then you need to shelter blackberries from frost for the winter. And the main secret of a large blackberry harvest is proper autumn pruning. You need to start pruning when the blackberry bush sheds its leaves. This happens after the first night frosts. Depending on the climatic conditions and the variety that you grow, this period begins from the end of September to mid-October. We need to prune the branches that have been yielding this year. Here's a look. Small branches with a harvest grow from one thick stem. It is more yellow, and will differ from the young branches of this year. Here it is in the autumn after fruiting. We need to cut it at the very root. Because next year on these branches, there will be small berries and, accordingly, a small harvest. But green stems grow nearby. These are the young branches of this year. There is no harvest on them this year. And next year they will have a bountiful harvest. We do not cut them off, but on the contrary we leave them. The essence of pruning is to prune old branches to give the young growth power. Pay attention. These are the young branches of this year. I brought them out separately to the side. There is no harvest on them, and next year, on such thick stems in the internodes, side branches will appear, dotted with a large and abundant harvest. And before hiding the blackberries from frost for the winter, I just take these young branches and twist them into a ring. That's how I cover it with agrofiber. If the information from this video was useful to you, then put a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. I wish you all a good day. See you in the new videos.